Hello, let's learn on how to simulate the rocket ship motion on a space. As on the space, if something is on the motion, it continues to be on the motion. Let's drag a when green flag click block. Now, let's drag a set size to 100% block and set the size to 50% for making the ship little bit smaller. Now, drag the ship to the center of the stage and drag the go to XY block so that ship always starts from the center of the stage when starting the project. Now, let's create a variable and name it x velocity. And let's create another variable, name it y velocity for controlling the horizontal and vertical motion of the rocket ship. Now let's drag when space key press block and make it up arrow. And drag set variable to 0 block and make it y velocity and set the value to 3. Now let's duplicate this block of code and make it down arrow key pressed and set the velocity to -3. Let's duplicate this block of codes again for left and right arrow key pressed. For left arrow key pressed, we set the x velocity to -3 and for right arrow key pressed, we set the x velocity to 3. Now we can see the changes in x and y velocity variables when we press the arrow keys. Now let's drag a forever loop and attach it below the go to XY block. Drag change x by 10 and change y by 10 block inside the forever loop. Now drag the x velocity inside the change x by 10 block and drag y velocity inside the change y by 10 block. Now let's try our code so far. The spaceship continues to be in the motion once we press the arrow keys, and releasing the arrow keys won't stop its motion, and that's what we want. But even after stopping the script and pressing the green flag, the rocket automatically starts moving. To prevent this motion at first, let's drag two set my variable blocks and set x velocity and set y velocity to 0 and place them before the forever loop. Now let's try our code. The rocket ship won't be in motion automatically now, as the x velocity and y velocity are 0 at first, and if we start pressing the arrow keys, then only the rocket becomes in motion. Now let's drag turn 15-degree clockwise block and attach it to the right arrow key press block, and drag turn 15-degree anti-clockwise block to the left arrow key press block. Now let's try our code. The rocket ship tilts on either direction when pressing left and right arrow keys. Now let's drag switch costume block below each arrow keys, selecting different costumes for each arrow keys pressed. Now let's try our final code. The rocket ship motion looks more alive now.
Great!